set, people.
Quiet on the set. Okay.
So scoop it properly. There should be some tomatoes in there too.
So I've got some
And
tomatoes.
no double dipping.
Okay, I've got tomatoes, some sort of grain, and I don't know what else in here. Let's give it a try. That's good. There's a nice little bite of something spicy just right at the end, but not too much. Tomatoes are perfect. The grain in there gives it a little bit of chew.
All right. So
my
now that
goodness.
it's a little spicy,
Okay, now
you
we're
can
gonna...
have the dessert.
Oh, the dessert. I think I got dates in here. And coconut. Just a little bit of sweet.
Really?
But with the grain, it's not something you'd normally do. Is have the sweet with the grain. It's very nice.
Okay.
I could do.
Happy.
I could do a bowl of that.
And the both are very healthy.
Both are very good. Very good.
All right. Who's next?
They're both very good.
Alright, I'll do it.
Yeah, you're a professional food critic. I didn't know that.
She is. We have amongst ourselves a professional food critic. All right, I'll hand you one at a time. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Right there. There is good. All right. Looking good, looking good. All right.
Ooh.
So
Now,
grab,
is this a soup?
it's a soup
Okay.
of a millet.
Millet soup.
Yeah. Nope.
All right. Mmm. Oh, that's good.
Would you eat it? Would you make it?
Yeah, I would.
Super healthy. It was
Oh,
like
it's got a little kick to it.
yeah, I mean, I added the kick, but you don't have to.
No, I like it.
In the back?
And I like the millet. It's got just a little bite. Very good.
All right, stay put.
Everyone's paying for something. Should I be paying for something?
Oh. And what's this?
Dessert.
Oh, dessert. Oh, good. Thanks for the warning. Mmm.
I wasn't worried about it. I was just going to...
Coconut. Mmm.
Dates and the
Dates?
millet.
The millet's in this too?
Same millet.
Mmm. I love it.
A nice and healthy option.
Yeah, and you could put a little milk in it. I eat it like
Oh yeah, yeah,
Sweet
like a kheer.
porridge.
Yeah, like a kheer. Yeah, definitely.
oh yeah, I want a big bowl of that.
No, no, thank you. There are other
She's
taste
teasing.
testers here.
She's teasing us.
Only little at a time. Who's next?
All right, those were the two things. They're both very good.
You're gonna taste test next. Back it up. Oh no, I think you're good. There we go.
I didn't do anything.
Quiet on the
I
set.
didn't bake. I didn't cook.
Quiet on the set.
He's,
God.
Well, he's only coming for overnight.
Oh, Cherie.
Oh, sorry.
Go.
do I start?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
now?
Oh yeah,
Ah.
it's been off.
Mm.
Well, he was in Connecticut.
Oh, my goodness.
Visiting his
I like that little crunchy taste
And,
Yeah, that's the millet.
with a little kick. Mm, very good.
Do you think George would like it?
And then he's going.
It's a little bit spicy. I think he would like it a little less spicy.
And then the dessert.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, we want a lot of this. Mm. Excellent. Sweet coconut. Mm.
Yeah, well,
And it's the same millet.
we didn't even
Can I
really
have
know
more?
each other
No,
till I was
No,
like
no.
13.
Everybody wants.
Ooh.
All right, y'all ready?
Right, and we had different.
And I know Donna will do tasting to them. It's a little spicy at the end.
Or maybe I'll just text him.
Shh.
See if, oh, too.
Yeah, I've never had this.
See if he prefers
It does have
Sweden or,
a nice squishy texture.
his
Would you make it? If I say it's like
If it's
it
easy.
will take 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then, like,
I made
After
your
it's
crepe.
cooked?
he's like home
I made your crepe.
Oh, did you?
Oh, it inspired me to make crepes.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
Would you
I
make
like that one? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not that
Simple.
spicy. Also,
yeah, you can add the spice to your level. The longer it sits, the here you go. Dessert time. Take that.
oh my gosh,
Good, right?
I would make the dessert.
You make
Definitely,
the dessert.
100%. I would make that too. Definitely the dessert.
I know, I loved it, and I'm like, well, is it
seems
just
easy.
me who likes it? Or
No,
the other
no, it's
people
very
that like
tasty.
it? I love it.
Me too.
Oh, Vanessa, you're up. Audio only.
Ooh, it's warm.
Hey, this way, move it. Move it in the picture. No, come forward, little. There you go. Give it a try.
Oh, baby.
And no double dipping.
No double dipping. Okay, I'm gonna grab some tomatoes. Oh, 1, 2, 3. All right, spill. Mmm. Wow.
So, do you think you have ever had that millet before?
So I can't remember if I had a millet, but I think I had it in the bread, right?
Well, there are different kinds of millet. This is in.
I love the texture, the flavor. Sorry, I'm licking my. my
You
finger.
like it? All right.
I love it. I
Dessert
love
time. Stay put.
What?
There's dessert.
Okay.
Yes. It's
Dripping.
No dessert. Okay, let me make sure you're in there. Yeah, you're in there.
Ah, shit.
Okay.
All right. Mmm, coconut. Oh.
It's the same millet.
It is.
Yeah, it's the same millet.
I love it, but not sure. What did you put in it? It's like we call this nata de coco or something like that.
There are dates in it.
Makapuno. We call
The
it in the Philippines.
dates?
Oh, dates.
Yeah.
That's the sweetness.
Yeah,
And
the
the
dates.
coconut.
Yeah.
Really good.
Is it a good one? All right.
Put it in top of an ice cream too.
Oh my God. Extra sugar.
Sugar over sugar.